I've always believed that hands-on experience is the best way to learn. But even my industrial training couldn't compare to the immersive experience I've had with VR modules. In the real world, there are limitations, safety concerns that often restrict how much you can actually do. But in virtual world, you've been able to experience scenarios that would be impossible or dangerous in a traditional training environment. For example, I've handled hazardous chemical without the fear of real-world consequences. I've navigated clean rooms under strict conditions, understanding the importance of even the smallest detail. It's like having a personal laboratory where I can experiment, grow, and learn without any risks. The modules have not only taught me the theoretical aspect of a pharmaceutical industry, but also the practical skills needed to succeed. It's been a transformative experience that had far exceeded my expectations.